In this video, I'm going to upload my website through my FTP. So on the left hand side here, you can see all the files in my PLR folder, the reseller files, and I'm just going to highlight all of them and just drag them over to the new folder that I created in the previous video. And I'm just going to pause this video and come back when all these, oh actually that was pretty quick, all the pages have been uploaded now. So we could actually go online, type in the website, and we could see what the sales page looks like. So the folder that I created here is test demo PLR. So when I go to the internet, I would just type in first the name of the domain. So if it's abc.com, you would type that in. But for this example, it's going to be francisauctiontips.com/test demo PLR/ the page that you want to look at. Okay, so let me just quickly do that here. Test demo PLR, because as you can see, that's the name of the folder. And then sales copy, sales page, copy.html. Okay, and there you go. Alright, you could scroll down and you can see the changes that I've made. Right here is that little button that I created. Alright, so simple as that. I've uploaded my sales page, and to make sure that you have all your images showing here, make sure that you also upload your images. As you can see here, there's an images folder that contains all the images that are showing on the sales page and other pages.